Last period we had seen format of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So what do you mean by balance sheet? Ancho? Balance sheet.
It is a statement of asset and liabilities of a business.
Okay, so for what purpose we are preparing to
Of
ascertain?
ascertaining financial position of the business.
Yes. Format of trading account. Format of trading account. Femina. Debit side.
Opening stock
Opening stock.
to purchases less
Purchase minus purchase return.
wages, direct expenses,
Hmm.
carriage inward, gas fuel, royalty,
Royalty.
manufacturing expenses,
Manufacturing expenses.
factory expenses,
Factory expenses.
import,
Import duty. Custom duty.
royalty,
Royalty. Okay, then credit side item. Femina. Credit side item.
sales less sales return,
Sales less sales return.
closing stock,
Closing stock. Okay, sales minus sales return, then closing stock. Then balance sheet, liability side, balance sheet liability side. Adul.
Sir, we have to write current liabilities. It's bank of overdraft, bills payable, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, and income received in advance.
Okay.
And fixed liabilities, long-term loan, capital, net profit. Then we should minus net loss, drawings, income tax, life insurance premium.
Okay. Next, asset side item. Asset side item. Aparna, asset side item.
So current asset and fixed asset. So current asset is cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, then sundry debtors, then closing stock, prepaid expenses, accrued income. Then fixed asset is furniture, loose tools, plant and machinery, land and building, then motor vehicle, goodwill.
Goodwill. Okay, next one thing you have to remember, sales tax collected. One item is there, sales tax collected. So that you have to write in the liability side. Sales tax collected. So we will collect the sales tax from the customer. After that, it is our liability to deposit that amount with the government authorities, to pay that amount to the government. So sales tax collected. So it will come under current liability only. Current liability, sales tax collected. Sales tax collected. Okay, it is the liability of the company to pay that sales tax to the government. Okay, sales tax collected, liability side. Anila, Karthika, Hadi, Hanna, turn on your video. So we will do the problem. Okay, sixth question. First, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ending. For the year ending 31st, it is given 31st March 2014. Okay, trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March Debit, credit, but the balance sheet is not an account. Debit, credit. So now you look the question. So normally we are following in order of liquidity. So first you look at the question. First one, machinery. Machinery, where it will come, Femina, trading or and profit account or balance sheet. Machinery.
Sir, machinery. Balance sheet.
Very good. So first you have to prepare trading and profit and loss account. So at a time you can prepare the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. How? So one page you, which one? Draw the line for trading and profit and loss account. But if it is less item means simply we are wasting our space. There is also one problem. Will do. Okay, then what will do? At a time. So one page here means in the first question only half page it is needed for preparing trading and profit loss account. So half page. So you leave for trading and profit loss account. You draw the format trading and profit loss account for the year ending. Otherwise, one page is 75% because it is a small question now. That's why 75. Otherwise, one page. Then next page you draw the balance sheet. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Heading, balance sheet. So at the same time you can prepare balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. Okay, no debit, no credit. It is not, it is a statement, not an account. Clear? So you can complete the answer within 10 minutes or within 5 minutes. We can complete it. Otherwise, after completing only you can prepare the which one balance sheet. So same times we will adjust. So after doing the first question, you will get an idea. Okay, so we'll start. Machinery asset. First item, machinery asset. So we will write it. We are not following order. Machinery amount 27,000. Okay, so we are not wasting our time. Machinery balance sheet asset 27,000. Next, sundry debtors. Atul, trading profit loss account or balance sheet?
Balance sheet.
Yes, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Next, drawings. That we know that drawings, what we are doing, Aparna, drawings. Capital, add net profit, less
The drawings. Less.
okay, so that we will do last. Capital, add net profit. We have to find out the net profit also. Then from that you have to minus drawings. Next, purchases. Aditya, where it will come? Purchases. Trading profit and loss account or balance sheet? No, trading accounts. Trading account, first item opening stock, next item purchase. So we will write to opening stock. Opening stock, otherwise after preparing also we can do. To opening stock, it is given 6,000. Last item. To opening stock 6,000. Next, to purchase, you have to look in the credit side any purchase return. Any purchase return? No, no purchase return. So same amount, 58,500. Okay, to opening stock, to purchase, to opening stock, to purchase. Next, you have to look in the debit side any direct expense. What are the direct expense, Femina?
Sir, wages. Carriage inward.
Okay, 15,000. Then any other item?
Sir, carriage inward.
To carriage inward. Okay, wages and carriage inward. Carriage inward. Okay, 450. So one thing you have to remember, first item opening stock, next purchase minus purchase return, then direct expense. Credit side only two items, sales minus sales return and which one? Closing stock. So you have to write the question machinery BA, balance sheet asset. Debtors BA. So if you write with the pencil, then it will be easy. Machinery, balance sheet asset. Sundry debtor, balance sheet asset. Drawings, balance sheet liability, BL. Purchase T, trading account. We know that which side. Wages T, trading account, T. Then sundry expenses P, profit and loss account. Okay, sundry expenses P, profit and loss account. Then rent and taxes P, profit and loss account. Other than balance sheet and trading account, it will come in profit and loss account. Then rent and tax, where rent and tax, profit and loss account, P. Bank, that is asset, BA, balance sheet asset. Then opening stock, trading account, T. Next, credit side, you look at capital, balance sheet liability, capital, balance sheet liability. Next, bills payable, balance sheet liability. Then sundry creditors, balance sheet liability, BL. Then sales, trading account, credit side, TC, trading account, credit side. Then adjustment, it is given, closing stock, it will come adjustment only. After preparing trial balance only, we will find out the closing balance, closing stock. Okay, so where it will come. So one thing you have to remember, adjustment have two effects. First, it will come trading account credit side, and the balance sheet asset side. Adjustment have two effects. It will come trading and the balance sheet also. So first, it will come trading account credit side and the balance sheet asset side. closing stock, closing stock. Okay, so we'll follow according to the liquidity. I will tell how to do. First, we will prepare trading and profit loss account. Okay, next, credit side, by sales, by sales, by sales, no sales return. You have to look in the debit side, any sales return. We know that sales credit, sales return debit, sales credit, sales return debit, like that. Purchase debit, purchase return credit, sales only, no sales return. 73,500. Next, second item, by closing stock, by closing stock. Amount it is given in the adjustment 22,400, 22,400. Okay, it is given in the adjustment closing stock. Over. Now trading account, it is over. Now we have to balance. Okay, so you have to look which side is more. That total you have to write in both sides. So credit side amount, $95,900, 95,900. So from that you have to minus debit side. Then the balance amount will be, trading account is prepared to find out gross profit. To gross profit, C bar D, carry down. So balance amount will be $79,950. So we will get the same 15,950. 15,950. Okay. So after posting the item, you have to look which side is more. Sometimes debit side will be more. Otherwise, credit side. If credit side is more means which side is more, that total you have to write in both sides. From that you have to minus debit side item. One underline. Then down you have to write by CD in debit side. So BD in credit side, by gross profit, B bar D. Same amount, 15,950. So from this onwards, which one? Profit and loss account. Continuation only, together only we are preparing. Okay. Next, you have to look the profit and loss accounts item. Already we noted sundry expense, rent and tax, sundry expense, rent and tax, credit side, no item. No interest received, dividend received, nothing. Commission received, any received, nothing it is there. Apprentice premium, nothing it is there. So only item, sundry expense, rent, so two sundry expenses. To sundry expenses 600, Next, rent and taxes. 2. Rent and taxes. 1,350. 1,350. Next, no, only 2 items. So over. Okay. So profit and loss account also over. Any other item? Nothing. So credit side, any received, interest received, dividend received, any interest received, nothing it is there. So we will close. Same like trading account. So which side is more? Credit side only 15,950. Debit side 1,950. So which side is more? Credit side is more. That total you have to write in both sides. Then balance amount you have to write. It is prepared to find out net profit. To net profit transferred to capital account. Transferred to capital account. Okay, to net profit transferred to capital account. 15,950 minus 1,950. 14,000. Ancho, any doubt? So this onwards, profit and loss account. Then that 15,950, here only 1,000, 2 item. Here 1 item. Now we will do balance sheet. Any doubts? Femina?
No, sir.
Hadi? Hadi? Anila?
Yes.
Okay, now we will prepare balance sheet. So first 2 questions we will do according to the liquidity. So already we know what are the item will come. So here machinery, sundry debtor, bank. Only 3 assets are there: machinery, debtor, bank. So according to the liquidity we will write bank current assets 4,500, sundry debtor current assets, sundry debtor 21,600, then sundry debtor, then which one? Now machinery. So we wrote the current asset first, then machinery, that is fixed assets. Machinery. One more item you have to remember. So adjustment have 2 effect, I said. Adjustment have 2 effect. Here one adjustment it is given after the trial balance, closing stock. Okay, closing stock, adjustment 2 effect. One, trading account credit side and balance sheet asset. Closing stock. Closing stock. 22,400. Don't forget, adjustment have 2 effect. So in this chapter, you'll study only one adjustment, closing stock. Okay. So trading account credit side, you look trading account credit side, we wrote same amount. So balance sheet assets. So balance sheet, so you look at that closing stock, okay, current assets. Okay. Now we will write machinery. Machinery 27,000. Now liability side, credit side, you look capital, bills payable, sundry creditor. 3 item is there. First we will write sundry creditors, current liabilities, sundry creditors, then bills payable, current liability, bills payable. So sundry creditors 1,400. Next, bills payable 2,800. 2,800. Everyone turn on your video. Bills payable 2,800. Now capital. So already I said whenever you are writing capital, we have to add net profit. If it is net profit, add. If it is net loss, less. Add net profit less drawings. Drawings, income tax, life insurance premium. So you look at capital. So now we have to look at trading and profit loss account balance, net profit or net loss, net profit, net profit. So if it is net profit, our capital amount will increase. Net profit. So capital add net profit. Net profit 14,000. So 74,000 less drawings, less drawings, less drawings 2,700. 2,700. $71,300. No other item. Now, any other item? So we wrote every item so that you have to look. So whenever you are writing any item, you have to tick. So now we have to balance every item we wrote. I think we left. Okay. So we have to do total. Both sides should be equal. Total. So one side, if you look, if this answer is correct, then 75,500. To underline 75,500. Okay, any doubt? I'll show that. So one thing you have to remember, trading account, opening stock, purchase minus purchase return, and that expense. Credit side, sales, less sales return, then closing stock. Then other than all expenses, indirect expenses, it will come the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay, other than all expenses, except asset. Okay. Then so next question. Clear? Any doubts? Atul?
No, sir.
Okay. So you look the next question. First you have to write. You look at the debtors with the pencil. Debtors, where it will come? Anjo, debtors. So you look that here, they given the separate debit, credit they given. Okay, this is a trial balance format, second method. So it is there, means debit side item will come asset or expense, asset or expense. Credit, income, profit loss account credit side or trading account credit side, and balance sheet liability. Clear? So one technique, debit side means either asset or trading or profit loss account debit side. Okay, credit side, some more item is there extra, which one? Income tax, that will come debit only, that is drawings only, drawings. That is debit only, it will come liability. Some extra item is there, that will come liability, debit side, drawings, income tax, life insurance premium. That is considered as drawings. That will be in the debit, it will come liability side only. Okay, so that if we are writing in the asset side also, then we will also get the same answer, because liability side if you are minusing, if you are that the same item, if you are writing in the asset side means it is same only, same effect only. Okay, so one thing you have to remember, debit side item either assets or expense, debit, trading account debit or credit side. Then credit side item means it will come profit and loss account or trading account credit or balance sheet liability. Okay, or balance sheet liability. So first debtors, Atul, per trading profit loss account or balance sheet?
Sir, balance sheet.
You write BA, balance sheet. Next, purchases, Anat.
Trading account.
Trading account, T. Coal, gas and water, Aparna.
Sir, trading account.
Account. Factory wages, Femina. Factory wages, factory expenses,
Sir, trading account.
trading account. Salaries, salary, Karthik.
Profit and loss account.
Loss account, P. Rent, Hanna, rent. Rent. Okay, next period we will continue.